by Ramesh Kumar. My mobile number is 614-35-205-206 and my mail ID is kumar.ramesh5759@yahoo.com. If you have any doubt, kindly you can give me WhatsApp call on my mobile number, or you can write to me on my mail ID. A foreign branch is one which does business in other country under the rules of that country. That whatever rules are prevailing in that country, branch has to follow the rules of that country. Head office is one country and the branch is in another country. For example, India has a branch in Australia. Goods are sent by India branch to Australian sent by India to Australian branch during the year. At the end of the year, Australian branch sends its trial balance to its head office in India. Australian branch will supply its trial balance to Indian head office in Australian dollars. In order to prepare financial statements, India head office will convert the given trial balance by branch into Indian rupees. The rules for conversion are as under. Number 1. Opening stock at opening rate and closing stock at closing rate. As to opening rate and closing rate, it depends upon whether it is calendar year or financial year. If it is calendar year, then the opening rate would be on January 1st, prevailing on January 1st, and closing would be prevailing on 31st December. If it is financial year, then opening rate would be on April 1st and closing rate would be on 31st March. Then the second rule is fixed assets and depreciation on the date of actual purchase, when the fixed asset was bought. What was the rate on that rate? If we are preparing final accounts for the year ending 31st December 2019 and the fixed assets were purchased on 1st July 2015, then the rate prevailing on 1st July 2015 will be taken for conversion purpose. Number 3. Fixed liabilities at the rate when they were created. What do you mean by created? That the date on which the fixed liabilities were made. Suppose the long-term loan was taken on September 1st, 2018, or the debenture was issued on that date, then the rate prevailing on that date, that is on 1st September 2018. Fourth, current assets and current liabilities at the rate prevailing on the last date of the period. For current assets and current liabilities, the rate which is prevailing on the last date of the period, that is closing rate. Revenue items at average rate. What is average rate? Opening rate plus closing rate divided by 2. Payment should be converted on the rate prevailing on the date of payment. That is the date on which the payment is made. At that on that day, whatever rate is prevailing, it should be converted on that rate. Head office balance is to be converted on the balance as shown by branch in head office books. That is, the branch and head office balance should be the same. That if head office is having Australian dollar and branch is having in Indian rupees, then that is already converted. After conversion, head office prepare trading profit and loss account and balance sheet in the same manner as we have seen in independent branch. Kindly like, share and subscribe this video. You must subscribe if you want to see more videos of this type. Thank you very much.